Good morning, Maui. Taking a look at our surface analyst, you'll see Fernanda has pretty much dissipated but is on a straight track onto us, while Greg is behind pretty weak. And our high pressure is at a 1028 to the northeast of the islands. Looking at our wind map, you'll see here's Fernanda on a straight track to just kind of plow us over, but there's not much wind or waves or anything to worry about. Just a little look at the total precipitable water. You see that storm's carrying a little bit, there's a little behind us, and we're still in a little bit of a drier blob. It's blowing about 32 east on the crater. I think the winds aloft are probably a lot stronger than the surface winds today. Jumping to our surface analysts on the Big Island, our soundings, you'll see that the water vapor line has mixed with our air partial heating line, which makes it pretty cloudy, and our inversion is going to be topped out around 10,000 feet again, so we'll see those high clouds develop. Kauai is looking more straight line, almost showing no inversion at all. Right here at University of Hawaii, we have a really good view of Fernanda's moisture and development and falling apart as it's going to slowly make its way to the islands today. Looking at the water vapor loop, you'll see even behind us this little low pressure is turning and almost giving us more moisture than Fernanda is out in front. Checking out the local radar, you'll see we got the average storm. Dagobah is pretty filled, and it looks like Oahu is taking a pretty brunt amount of rain this morning. Looking at Big Blue, you'll see the remnants of Fernanda and that little low pressure behind us that's developing. Looks like light east winds. Wind grew is gonna make it look like the rain's gonna hit sometime tonight, tomorrow morning. It's also when our wind's gonna briefly die as the hurricane goes through us, and then gives us typical east trades all week after. High tide's gonna be around 3-4 o'clock today. Low tide around 8. So when you go paddle out sand piles, it's gonna be super dry this morning, like it was yesterday. You gotta walk a mile. Unfortunately, we haven't got any more significant readings on our local buoy. Still showing 5.6 east, 10 seconds, 2.0. That's, smaller than yesterday. Actual wave height 2 foot. We scroll down to yesterday. We maybe had 3 foot sometime in the morning, afternoon. So I'm losing faith in this hurricane swell. Nothing special going on at Mama's beach cam. Looks like it's still east swell and it's not really filling in too much. Taking a look at our sun, you'll see that we had some massive solar flare go down yesterday. Luckily for us, that's not Earth facing, so it's going to go the other side of the solar system, but Mars is going to take it. We'll watch that one more time because it's pretty cool. Little baby pulse, and blam! That thing's pretty big, so we're lucky it's not coming our way. I think today it probably look a little cloudy. Waves might be small, so it'll still probably be sand piles, poly, hang around the weekend kind of day. But yep. Have a good day, guys. Boom.